Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we are filming at the Nelson's Brier Distillery in Nashville, Tennessee. We are really excited to make this awesome fall and winter cocktail for you. It's called Wynter Made Me Do It. It'll be available at our Troy, Michigan restaurants. It's also a really great cocktail to make at home for friends and family. The first thing we're going to use is Nelson's Brier Tennessee whiskey. This is actually the original Tennessee whiskey that started bottling in 1909 right here in Nashville. So we're going to use 2 ounces of our whiskey. Our next component is going to be an allspice liqueur. This, a little goes a long way, so we're just going to use about 1/4 ounce. For our sugar component, we're actually going to use Demerara sugar. It makes it a nice, thick, rich component to our cocktail. Very similar to a sugar in the raw. Add a little citrus, which will be lemon juice. And some cardamom bitters. This is almost kind of like a take on an old fashioned. So the last thing we're going to do is stir. Now we're going to strain our cocktail right into our glass. Our garnish is very festive. We're actually going to use a star anise placed right on top of that ice cube and a cinnamon stick to be right on the edge of the glass. And there you have it. Wynter Made Me Do It. Enjoy. We hope that you make this delicious cocktail at home. A special thank you to Nelson's Brier Distillery for letting us come and film. If you ever get a chance to come to Nashville, come and check them out. They're awesome. For more fun recipes, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Cheers.